Hi guys, I done few modification my Pulsar 200 NS, and you can see the white stickering in wheel and tank. Also update my chain sprocket for less noise, roll on chain sprocket, and also update twill horn for better horn sound. One is here and another one is here. Also carbon fiber vinyl radiator cover. Let's check on sound. That's all. Thanks for watching.